So today is a very, very good day. The sun is shining, the weather's beautiful, we've just come back from the beach and there was a package waiting for me. This is an Ooni Karu and I'm going to unbox it. So this right here is the Ooni Karu. I decided to get this one because I wanted a pizza maker that was going to be able to function with gas and with charcoal or wood, depending on which one I want to cook with that day. So this is a new one. It's taken about 3 weeks to arrive, so I think there was a bit of a backlog with the COVID-19 thing going on. I'm so excited to do this. We've got some dough prepping inside, that's fermenting at the minute, and should be ready to cook on this evening. So in this video we're going to unbox this and then we're going to do a first cook on it. I also got the gas burner. Now this doesn't come with it, it's an optional accessory. I'd also like to get the carry case for this because it's designed to be quite portable, more portable than the Kamado is anyway for cooking pizzas. We do a lot of camping, we go away for weekends, so I want this to be able to come with us so we can cook pizzas, not only pizzas, anything actually on this, and use it as our oven for when we're traveling also. So it seems there's a box inside the box. Opens. Oh, and look at this here. It says, "Welcome to the Ooni community." Okay, so straight away inside we've got the pizza stone. And it says Ooni on it as well. This is well packaged in like a squashy airtight bag. It looks like we have a manual, instructions, and an Allen key. And then, ta-da! There she is. Wow guys, I love the look of this thing. It looks really industrial, like it's made out of the same things they make aircraft out of. I'm not sure it is, but it's got all the rivets in and everything. It looks amazing. I think the best course of action is to put this on the ground and lift it onto the table. I'd hate to drop it on the first go. And this is it, this is the actual unit. So it all looks like it compacts down quite well. Right, so let's take it out the bag. Okay, so first out the box we've got like a fire door. This goes on the back of the oven to keep the heat in. Then there looks to be some sort of cover. I'm sure we'll find out what that's for later. And then the unit itself. Lovely. And then finally a big thick door that goes on the front. Again, this is well insulated to keep that heat in when you're not cooking a pizza. Okay, so moving round, there's some bits in here as well. Wow, this thing is well packaged, guys. It's hard to get these out. Okay, so there looks to be 4 boxes inside of it. These two feel quite light. I don't think there's anything in those. So in this one, looks like we have our chimney stack. Goes on the top. And this one, it looks like this is the firebox as well. that you actually sit the charcoal or the wood in. Yeah. Okay, so we've unpacked everything, now it's time to put it all together. So I've just had a quick read through the manual and just made sure I'm doing this right. So first step is to fold out these legs. Just noticed another bit of packaging in there. Make sure they're all set out. The next step is to insert this firebox. That goes all the way to the back. Then it's time to pop in the pizza stone. Just trying to be careful not to scratch anything here. There is actually a hole underneath here that allows you to place it in a little bit softer and probably easy to get it out as well. Right, next up is the chimney. So that just twists and locks in, and there's a damper here on the side too. Yeah, that way, so that's on the side. And you also get this cap that fits in the chimney. Now that's to use in this part if you're using it as a gas oven, because obviously you don't need the chimney. Next step is this, they call it a fuel hatch. That goes onto the back of the oven there. And then this called a draft defender plate. So this one actually drops onto the back of the oven there. Although, I've just noticed I think I'm missing a screw out of that one. So I'll have to have a check in the box there. Okay, panic over, I found the screw in the box, so we're all good. You get the Allen key with it, so just use that to tighten up the bolts and secure this plate on. So I've just noticed something as well. Actually, if you look under here, there's a place to store the Allen key that comes with it, so you never lose it. We'll turn it back around, and then this is where the door goes on. That's it, she's ready to go. This setup's for wood though, we're going to be cooking on gas today, so I'm going to remove the chimney and that firebox, and next we're going to unbox the gas burner. So in here you get the manuals, and this thing actually I found it's a long stick that holds a match, and that's used if you need to light it with a match instead of if the clicker isn't working. And this is very simple, to be honest. You've got the pipe with your regulator, cardboard top, cardboard bottom, and then the actual gas burner itself. And then the gas burner just goes straight into here, and then just tighten it up. Okay, so let's see how that dough's doing, and let's get cooking. Okay, so we're ready and set up to do the first cook on the Ooni Karu there. Sorry if there's a bit of a change in quality. We're on the phone now because the big camera ran out of battery and I didn't charge them. Anyway, so let's get this fired up and we'll see how long it takes. Apparently it only takes 15 minutes to get up to temperature, and we're looking for around 500 degrees centigrade to cook great pizzas. Okay, the Ooni's lit, so let's come back in 15 minutes and see what temperature she's at. So it's been 15 minutes and the oven's up to 413-ish degrees, which is hot enough to cook a pizza, so we're going to launch the first one now, see how it goes. So that was the unboxing of the Ooni Karu. I hope you enjoyed the video. I could already tell we're going to have some great cooks on this thing. It's absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try it with wood next, or charcoal as well. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and comment in the section below if you have any questions.